Chime Cash Rewards Credit Card Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get cashback credit cards wrong. They assume they come with hidden fees or complicated reward systems. The surprising truth about the Chime Cash Rewards Credit Card is that it's simple, transparent, and designed to make your money work for you. And you won't believe how easy it is to earn rewards automatically. Here's how it works. The Chime Cash Rewards Credit Card is linked to a Chime spending account. Every time you make a purchase, you automatically earn up to 1.5% cash back on eligible purchases. The rewards are credited instantly, rather than waiting for monthly statements, so you see your earnings in real time. For example, if you spend $1,000 a month on groceries, fuel, and online shopping, you could earn $15 in cash rewards automatically without having to manually track anything. Most people get this wrong. They assume rewards are complicated or delayed, but Chime makes it straightforward and transparent. Additional benefits include no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and instant alerts for spending. The card also integrates seamlessly with Chime's mobile app, allowing you to track rewards, manage payments, and monitor your spending habits. However, there are considerations. While rewards are solid for everyday purchases, some premium benefits like travel points for bonus categories aren't included. Most people assume this is a full-featured rewards card. It's best for straightforward, everyday cash back without hidden costs. In conclusion, the Chime Cash Rewards Credit Card is ideal for anyone looking for a simple, no-fee credit card that automatically rewards everyday spending while keeping finances transparent. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial products and credit cards.